Header started. I want to get this power steering line started. It's a pain to get to, so I'm gonna get that finagled and then I'll keep on lowering it in there. I popped the motor mount off, get that. So I'm gonna put the motor mount back on. I got the zip tied up, or not zip tied, but bungee corded. Put the motor mount back on and then keep on going. One side always goes in like butter. This side, I don't know. Freaking steering line is really in the way though. I'm gonna mess with this. Bolt, oh, what's that? Bolt is in. That is always the worst pain. I don't know why, but it's horrific. I had to lay down here, put my foot against the engine down there, push it that way, while Caleb used this on the bolt and tapped it in with the big mallet. But it's in. So, since I'm not gonna put the transmission in right now, I'm gonna jack it a little bit so I can get a board back there just to kind of take the pressure off of It's just sitting, flopping back there. And then it's super windy today and cold. So I'm gonna get the car on the ground and push back in. That way we can start picking that stuff. Motor mounts are completely tightened up, both sides. So she's hard mounted. And then this came in. So they actually turn this around super fast. I can show you what happened. So anyways, this is all the same except for this now has, well, it has the proper bearing, which should be in this box. There. There is the proper one, and I can tell you right now that they didn't send the hydraulic line. They didn't send the hydraulic line with it. Anyways, this is the one that's supposed to work for sure. A couple shims. Really? I don't have a freaking hydraulic line? Are you kidding me? Please. Be a fluke. All right, let me dig in this box. I don't freaking see hydraulic line. I'll be right back. There's no line. I'm gonna contact him again. The other one's had 2 lines. This only has 1. So I need to read the instructions because that is the actual bearing that's in the actual instructions. The other ones weren't, so I need to read up on what it takes. This is the clutch line. That's a female fitting on there, and obviously a male fitting needs to go into that throwout bearing, so. I need to, I think I can still measure, I can definitely still measure the distance between that and then what I need to work on with the fingers of the clutch. It needs to have a certain distance, so I can still work on that. I'll do that while I guess I'm waiting for another piece from them. Oh geez. Yeah, this is kind of exciting though, because this has got me totally encouraged and ready to go on moving forward with all this little stuff, hooking up the headers. Don't want to do the harness because I want to get the harness. Well, I'm gonna do the harness before I do the intake manifold because I want to be able to access and reach everything behind the engine first. And then I'll put the manifold on after all the wiring's tucked nicely behind the engine. But there's stuff I can do and I can start getting it ready, and this is the fun part for me. So that's what I'll start doing. So I'm gonna call it right here and we'll figure out what's going on, and I'll keep you guys in the loop as usual.